Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing one of the brand new Lancome holiday gift sets. I have the Glam collection gift set. So basically what this is a set that you can get if you make any $35 Lancome purchase, and the price of this gift set is $65, but it's worth $422 because there are 10 full-size products in this gift set. I got mine through an app called Octoly. Basically, it's for like influencers where you can get free products. If you guys are an influencer and you don't know what that is, I will have a link in my description box below if you want to check it out. So whenever I got mine in the mail, the eyeshadow palette was broken. One of the shades in the palette was broken and it was like literally everywhere in the box, but I still wanted to film this video because I feel like this is a really cool set and I just wanted to kind of give you guys my opinions on it and show you everything that's in here. So before I go ahead and start unboxing this gift set, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'm also doing a huge giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link in my description box below. And that's all I really have to say, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the gift set comes in this big box like this, and it is pretty heavy. And then on the back side, it just shows everything that is in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So here is what the little like travel case looks like, and this feels very nice. It does not feel cheap at all. I'm gonna start by opening the top section right here and show you guys what's in there. So I'm first going to start out with the eyeshadow palette since that is broken. So here is what the outer packaging looks like, and then when you open it up, there are 8 shades in here, and I was actually really excited about this shade, so I'm really sad that it broke. But it has like 2 individual quads. There's this side which is more like of a rosy side, and then you have this really cool like cool tone side with grays and blues. This is their Starlight Sparkle eyeshadow palette. All right, so the next thing in the top section I'm so excited about because I wanted to buy this product. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique, I think is how you say it, eye cream. I have been wanting to buy this for a really long time, but it is super expensive. Let me look up the price of this. Let's see. So this is full size and the price of this is $67. So this already pays for like the entire gift box. I have heard really good things about this product. I have tried the Advanced Genifique like serum that you put all over your face, and that's really expensive as well, and I'm pretty sure that comes in here too. So I'm really excited about this. I cannot wait to test this out, and I will let you guys know if I like this or not. So next up we have a mascara, and this is, I believe it's called their Monsieur, I don't know how to say this. This is the Lancome mascara. This is a popular mascara. The price of this is $25. So it's really nice that this is a full-size one. I have gotten a sample of this mascara before, and I cannot remember if I ever tried it out, but I'm definitely gonna test this one out, and I will also keep you guys updated on that. Ooh. So next up, this looks like a lash primer. I've been really into lash primers recently. So this is their Booster XL Lash Primer. So here is what the wand looks like. This is just like a white primer. You're supposed to put this on before you put on mascara. So this is also $25 if you buy it individually. It says that it lengthens and thickens lashes to maximize the results of any mascara. That's cool. I'm excited to use those two together. So next up we have this is a black eyeliner. This is a pretty big eyeliner. Wow. So it's just a pencil liner, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I mean, it does actually feel pretty creamy and it is pretty black. I just never really wear eyeliner anymore. So this eyeliner is $26. That is very, very expensive for an eyeliner. So this is really awesome that all these are full size. I definitely see how it's worth like $400 and whatever dollars now. All right, so next up in the top section, there's 2 lipsticks. The first one is in the shade Hot Nude. Ooh, I really like this shade already. Let's swatch. All right, so this feels very creamy. It is a little bit like sheer, and it does seem to be more of like a satin finish. So this lipstick is $24. And then the other shade is called Red Stiletto. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. So here is what that one looks like. This one is definitely not as sheer as the other one. These are very, very creamy. The scent of this just like smells really expensive to me. I really like that they gave a nude and a red. I feel like that's really nice, especially for the holiday time. So now I'm gonna open up the bottom section. All right, so down here we have another palette. This is their Starlight Sparkle Face Palette. So there are 2 blush shades and then 2 highlight shades. It looks like one of the blush shades is shimmery and then the other one looks matte. Let me swatch. Ooh, it's a little powdery. So there is the first blush shade and the second one. All right, I'm gonna do the highlight shade. Ooh, that looks really pretty, wow. So there is the highlight shade. That swatched so much nicer than the blushes did. And then the other highlight. Can't tell if that's supposed to be a highlight or a contour. I'm not really sure. Or like a bronzer maybe? So the next thing that we got is their Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I have seen a lot of people use this. I have never tried this before. So the price of the eye makeup remover is $30 and this has 9,000 reviews on Sephora. It has a 4.5 star rating. I'm gonna try this out after I film all my videos today and take off my makeup with it. Maybe I'll do like an Instagram video using this. All right, now we're down to the last thing that comes in this gift set, which is probably the most exciting thing. This is the Advanced Genifique. This is the Youth Activating Concentrate. Now this is a very, very expensive product. I do have the full size version. Like this is a full size version too, but there's a bigger one that I have. So the price of this one is $78. I have the bigger version, which is 50 milliliters, and that one's $105. I haven't been using this very much recently because my skin's been kind of crazy and I have been trying to do like a more simple routine, but I am gonna start using this again. I have heard this does amazing things for your skin. I have not used it for a long enough period of time to really see like those kinds of results. So if you have tried this out, let me know in the comments down below if you really like this product or not and if it's worth the high price tag. So that is everything that comes in this holiday gift set. I think that this is a super awesome gift set for the price. I mean, you're getting all of these full-size products, which are really expensive if you bought them individually, for $65. So as I said in the beginning of this video, the value of this gift set is $422, which I think is amazing. And I've heard really good things about almost all of the products that are in this gift set. The only products that I haven't really heard anything about are the 2 palettes that come in here, because I don't think they sell these individually. I think they just made these specifically for the holiday gift sets. I forgot to swatch any of the eyeshadows, so I'm gonna swatch them now for you guys. Ooh, that one feels very soft. So here's this pink shimmery shade. You probably are not gonna be able to see it because of the lights. It feels very smooth. I do think you would probably have to use like some MAC Fix Plus or something with these shimmers. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Ooh, that swatched really nice. All right, this one's a matte. Okay, that feels very soft. There's that one. Is also a really light shade. I'm gonna try and swatch the one that broke. There is a little bit in here. This one's so pretty. I wish it didn't break. Yeah, that one is super pretty. They're so soft. There is the silver. These are really bad swatches, wow. And the matte gray. Oh, that one's a little patchy. We have the 2 shimmery blues. That one went on nice. It's not as pigmented as it was just on my finger. And then the last shade, this is like a glittery black. That's cool. Ooh, I really like that. Wow. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but there's like blue flecks of glitter in the black. That's really nice. I have never tried any eyeshadows from Lancome before, but these feel very, very nice. You can't always really tell if they're gonna be good though just by swatching them. I like to use them on my eyes, so I'm definitely gonna have to test that palette out for you guys. I'll probably end up doing some kind of like mini tutorial on Instagram or something like that. But yeah, overall, I'm really impressed with this gift set. I feel like this is really, really nice if you wanna get this for somebody for Christmas or something like that. They would really like this, and especially because Lancome is a really nice high-end brand. They have a lot of really nice products. So I'm going to have a link to this gift set in my description box below. There are 2 versions of this gift set. There is this one, which is like, I think the cool toned version, and then there's also a warm toned version, which has a different eyeshadow palette and then blush palette. Don't think the lipsticks are any different. I think it's just the two palettes. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure you guys go check out my giveaway below. I'm doing 2 holiday giveaways this month, so make sure you guys don't miss out on those. I'm also gonna have links in my description box to my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page if you guys want to follow me on those accounts as well. And before you leave, please make sure to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.